In this video, I will detail how to turn off or disable iOS 18 dark icons on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using an iPhone 12 Pro Max and your iPhone is running on iOS 18, then you can easily change the app icon to dark mode on your iPhone home screen or disable the dark icon on your iPhone home screen. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off or disable dark icons on iPhone 12 Pro Max if you are running on iOS 18 just like this. So if you're done with this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do to disable or turn off dark icons on iPhone 12 Pro Max running on iOS 18 is press and hold the home screen just like this. Click on edit at the top left. Then once you selected edit, you should see two options, add widget and then customize. Click on customize. Here you have four options available here: automatic, dark, light and tinted. Then go ahead and select light. Once you selected light and then click outside, this is going to turn off or disable dark icons on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. You see that? So in summary, to disable or turn off dark icons on your iPhone 12 Pro Max running on iOS 18, you just need to press your home screen, click on edit at top left, select customize from the menu and then select light, and that is going to turn off or disable the dark icons on your device. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.